All right, last set of examples. This one says 4 times the quantity of 2x plus 1 plus 3 times the quantity of 5x minus 1 equals 47. The only difference between this one and the previous set of examples is that this one has, you guys can see, 2 sets of parentheses with a number on the outside, a term on the outside, so we have to distribute 2 times. So we can go ahead and get started with this 4, distributing inside, and then after that we will also do the 3, the positive 3, inside that parentheses. So 4 times 2 gives me 8, and then don't forget the x. 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 5 is 15. Don't forget the x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Drop down your 47. And then just like the other one, when you guys are done distributing, check to see if there's anything you can combine. So I'm going to combine this 8x, and you guys can see that that can be combined with the 15x. And then I can combine the 4, the positive 4, with negative 3. All right, so when I combine 8x plus 15x, that gives me 23x. When I combine 4 and negative 3, 4 minus 3 gives me 1. And then I still have 47 left on the other side. It's a 2-step equation. Getting used to these now. I want to undo that positive 1, so let's subtract 1 from both sides. That cancels. I'm left with 23x equals 46. I want to get x by itself. Let's divide by 23 to both sides. Cancels, and then x equals 46 divided by 23 gives me 2. Okay, go ahead and pause if you need to, rewind if you need to, and then when you're ready, let's start on the next example, the last example. All right, so same thing here. I see 2 sets of parentheses I'm going to have to distribute. So let's start with the 6. And then after that, we will go for the negative 2. Notice that this 2 right here is negative. You're going to have to distribute but with the sign as well. All right, 6 times 6 gives me 36. Don't forget the x. 6 times 5 is 30. And then I can move on to the next one. So negative 2, not just 2, but negative 2 times 4 gives me negative 8. Don't forget the x. And then negative 2 times positive 2 gives me negative 4. Drop down the 110, and then check to see if there's anything you can combine. I see that I can combine 36x with negative 8x, and then the positive 30 with negative 4. So when I combine 36x minus 8x, that should give me 28x. And then 30 minus 4, that should give me positive 26. Drop down the 110. It is a 2-step equation. Let's go ahead and undo the positive 26 by subtracting 26. Cancels. 28x equals 110 minus 26. Let me use my calculator real quick. Okay, that gives me 84. And then I want to get x by itself, so let's divide by 28. Divide by 28 cancels, and we are left with x equals 84 divided by 28 is 3. And we are done.